What material have I decided to go with for my workbenches? Hi, I'm Ron Paulk, and this is the Smart Wood Shop. If you want to get yourself a set of plans to build your own workbench or the Smart Wood Shop, you can click on the link in the description of this video down below. You'll go to my website. In the store, you can purchase the plans and immediately download them. Also, we have an Amazon store. If you use our affiliate links there, they share a little bit with us and don't charge you any extra, which helps support the channel. Okay, the plywood that I have chosen. This is birch ply. Is it the best? Well, it is a very attractive wood, and it's got nice laminations and pretty much void free. So there's no question that it's going to be a durable, beautiful material and nice to work with. I've worked with this lots and lots in cabinets and things like that. It's a little heavier than I want. It's definitely not that lightweight Moreland ultralight that I recommended for so long. But that's not available to us at this time. Hopefully there'll be another product like that that I discover. But with what I have available to me in my region, I have decided that the birch ply is going to be my plywood for now. Again, I am still researching this. I'm still listening to what you have to say, but lots and lots of people have asked, what do I do now that I can't get the Moreland? What have you decided to go with? No science here. It just looks good. Again, the benches have a lot cut away from them, so you know, the weight I reduce in the design, so that helps quite a bit. I have a project now that I'm going to build myself a smart compact bench. I'm going to evolve the compact bench, the Paulk compact bench, to the next level. I'm going to take what I learned from the Total Station 2, or the Smart Total Station, and I'm going to apply those to the compact bench. And so after I get that built, I will weigh it and see what it weighs. And I don't have a weight of what the Moreland was, but I'll actually weigh it, put it on a scale, and see what it weighs, and I'll pass that on with you. So I'm not gonna do a whole series on building the bench. I've got enough of those out there that any of the benches I have can be built by watching those. But I am going to do some videos as I go, as I'm building the bench, on certain techniques and tips. And so you'll get to see those as I go through. And once it's all built up, I'll weigh it and show it to you. So you can look forward to that video. I know this was a short one. It's more of a vlog than a video on how to, but I get the question asked time and time again, emails all the time. What plywood are you using now that Moreland isn't there? So now you know it's birch ply. You know what to do. Also subscribe and ring the bell so you'll know when I drop a new video. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop. Stay safe and have a great day.